So just a couple things to let you know about the trip. We have a mile, a little bit more than a mile of flat water like this, so we can totally relax and just enjoy the scenery here.
Oh, we forgot the cooler.
Oh, no.
No beers.
No beers. There's so much beer in town, though. We don't survive. Yeah. So we got a mile of flat water like this, and then we get to the nice big rapid. That's kind of what you guys came for, is the Big Eddy. But yeah, we get to float through. We're going to meander through this scenery here, this nice ponderosa pine forest. And then eventually, you know, after a mile, we're going to get to this spot where you'll see a lava flow come in. And that lava flow comes in from the east, from Lava Butte, and also that merges with another one from Paulina Peak. And so once we get up there, we know that we're pretty close to the rapid. And the rapid's about a half-mile long. So nice, solid Class 3 rapid. Before we go into the rapid, you know, I'll take a moment and we'll talk about a couple of important safety things for, you know, just a few minutes. Other than that, yeah, we're just chilling. We'll get to know each other a little bit, talk about the landscape, relax, enjoy your day.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out, the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I be going to November, going through the letters that I send her, and thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, they're so kind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I don't need what I've sold, I just need something good. And I know when we're old, we'll look back and say some mistakes we made, they made us who we are. These games we played, they got us really far. That shit to most won't ever mean a thing, but it got us here, so I hold on. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night